Go to the Green Detect repository and download the latest version of the project. Extract the archive file. As indicated in the README file, create a folder called Green Detect inside the Documents folder. In the new folder, copy the contents of the Documents Green Detect folder previously extracted from the downloaded archive. Run the manifest application file, Green Detect application. In the practical example that we are going to see, a network of 4 sensors has been created. Sensor 1, temperature and humidity. Sensor 2, ultrasonic distance sensor. Sensor 3, soil moisture sensor. And the last sensor, number 4, digital temperature sensor. A microcontroller, set as a gateway, is connected to the USB port of the PC. Press Connect button. On sensor module 4, when the data packet is transmitted, the blue LED lights up. The acquired data are shown in the corresponding fields. The countdown at the top of the screen shows the seconds remaining until the next data transmission. Now, we modify the distance measurement of the ultrasonic sensor, adding an object 7 centimeters high. The data arrived correctly. Now, let's try an alarm. We press the test button of the sensor module number 4 and see what happens. An alarm has appeared. Press the alarm button to silence the audible warning. The alarm cleared. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for visiting. Bye bye. Oh, I forgot. Subscribe